Hello friends, it is last day of my winter wonderland and today we are using Canson mixed media paper and this is our sketch. We're painting one window, wintry window with a candle and some arrangement, and here behind the window is one wintry scene with snow and trees. So we are using all of this. So we're using this white oil pastel, then we're using this three of so this one is white, greenish blue and pink inks. Then we are using some of colored pencils. Then we will use our gouache, our watercolors, probably just yellow, and we are using, this one is for the wood on the window, so we are using acrylic and these glittery acrylics for the snow. And I also need to use this gray artisan water brush markers, these two gel pens, three gel pens, this acrylic brush marker, and this alcohol twin marker. So we will try to use everything in this piece, and wish me luck because we are starting now with acrylics. So I just want to show you, we always need this kitchen paper, then we always can use these tips, and we will use off-brand brushes, but just this one is a Royal and Langnickel brush, so this one is only with the brand. So let's start. I first wanted to start with our acrylics, and I want this window to be brown, like this, some old window, and I think I need to cut this part later when we finish. Now we will wait for this to dry, and then in the meantime I will add yellow on this part. Like here. And then I will add also green, but just like here and there. I want this green to be like foggy. So this is our watercolors, and we are finished with them. We need to wait for this to dry because it is still wet, and then we making snow and this part, and then before this all is dried, I want to paint this candle with this marker, so light yellow here and in the middle of flame. So here is our candle. And then I want this candle to be on a little plate. And we are finished with this ink. This is dried, so I want to this lighter. And now I want to add here like this, and then with this gray I want to add here the candle is melting. Then we are here on our gouache, and I want to add this orange around my candle and also here. And then my greenery here with this green ink, so I'm adding here one branch and like this. Now we need to wait this to dry, and I also need to add more of this green. So only thing we need to add is our snow with this and this, and our Christmas balls on this, and maybe here for this plate because it is not very shiny, and we need to wait this to dry. So it is dried and it is shiny. So first I want to add snow on these windows. This, and then with this white, and now I want to add, where is my gray? I want to add a little bit more of this gray on the snow. this, and then with a little bit water. We can soften down. And now we only stay with our Christmas bulbs, and here you go. Oh yes, guys, you know what? This is must. So we need to add this glittery snow here and there. And on the windows. Thank you so much for joining me, and I really don't know what should I do now. I know I will have one pause, and I will after Christmas add some sketchbook tour, and after this I really don't know, so we will see. Oh yes, after this is coming my whole year. We will see what I like and what I didn't like. In past year. And you know what we didn't use? Colored pencils, guys. So I will add a little bit of shading on these windows. With colored pencils, and that will be end of my series. Thank you very much, and thanks God I finished. See you in the next one. Bye.